Afternoon everyone, hope you're all safe and well. Right, this is the stage we're up to now. As you see, I've resined it all the way across these now. I've just put the pins in roughly. So that's your handles now. I think it's going to look pretty funky. This will need sanding, very fine grits to get any kind of waves or marks out of it. But I think it's pretty funky, isn't it? What do you reckon? Put the light on so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, quite pleased with this, how this is coming out. So yeah, I've got to let this resin go off a bit more yet. So we'll let that there.